Another Adobe Illustrator quick tip by Fatfly Design. In this video, we will take a look at the eraser tool in Adobe Illustrator CC. So I've selected my eraser tool over here in my tool panel. Now I'm going to actually double click on that tool before I use it. I'm going to double click and I'm going to look at some of the options that are available. One of the main ones you'll look at is the size. I'm just going to start out with a 5.1. And I can also adjust the angle. I can also adjust the roundness. So I've got quite a few settings I can adjust, and I'll just let you play with those on your own. Essentially, I just want to let you know what the eraser tool does. So if I come out here and just click once on a path that exists, you don't have to select the path first, just click on it. It erases part of it. And let me zoom in on that so you can actually see it. So that's a 5-point brush. Now, if you want to increase and decrease the size of your brush, the easiest way is to use your left bracket or your right bracket tool. The right bracket tool will make it larger. See it getting bigger there? The left bracket tool will make it smaller. So what is the eraser tool actually doing? I'm going to come over here and click and drag right through this portion of this little character. And I'm going to go to outline mode and let's see. So it's actually erasing that portion and then creating closed paths. Okay, so I'm coming in here and it's closing off all of these paths as it goes. It's not leaving open paths, they're closed paths. I'd have to admit this isn't a tool that I use very often in Adobe Illustrator, but occasionally I run into a situation where I need it and it's handy. So that's the eraser tool in Adobe Illustrator CC. Thanks for watching this Illustrator quick tip. I hope it was helpful. If you like what you saw, please hit like and subscribe below. And if you get a chance, visit my website at fatflydesign.com.